I don't know if you guys are like us, but we hate the sound of a retractable awning in the wind making this kind of noise. So I've come up with a simple do-it-yourself hack that I did out of some spare parts around my travel trailer, and I'm going to show it to you. Here we go. Now, this was the original awning strap that we had. It went up and over the awning. It was real hard to actually install, and this one's actually too short for this new awning, which is about 18 feet across. This hack we're going to do today is a lot easier. So here are the basic 5 components of this. So we have the stake. We have about 10 feet of 1/8 inch nylon rope. We have this cam tensioner, which is really the coolest part of this whole project. The way it works is awesome. Then you have the carabiner at the end. You can use something like a washer or a ring. You don't need a carabiner, just something to connect to the bungee once you get it strapped around the awning itself. But these are the basic 5 components. So click the link to get the supplies. First thing you need to do is just take a simple stake, put it directly underneath the awning, right about here. The next thing you want to do is just make sure your awning tensioner is tight. So you just torque that down here. I'll get the bungee up over the awning itself. And the next thing you want to do is run the cord with the nut in the end through the hole in the stake itself. Bring it up here, tighten it up here. And go up here, hold tension in the bungee itself, pull up the slack, let it go, voila. Should do it. And do the same on the other side, call it a day. And with that, back to camp and hanging out with my little feathered friends. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember, get any or all of your parts by just clicking the link, and we'll see you next time.